Let's know about functions in JavaScript. Functions are fundamental building blocks in all programming. Let's make a real-life example. Imagine that you get a person in a work and the work of that person is only just pouring a water. Every time when you invoke that person, he should pouring a water. In programming, by function, you can reuse your code again and again. Now let's know how to make function and how we can call our function. At the first step, you have to write function. After that, you have to give a name for your function. For example, I want to give a name for my function, my function. After that, parentheses, and after that, brackets. Inside the brackets, you can write your code. I want to write console.log. Instead of this, hello world. The task of this function is only shows hello world. Now let's know how we can call this function. You can call a function by his name. For example, the name of this function, my function, and now let's call this my function. After that, parentheses and close. Now let's see the result. Yes, hello world. The function is work well. Now let's make a functions that perform addition operation. At the first, I want to write function. After that, I want to write a give for my function. For example, addition, parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I want to write first parameter and second parameter. After that, brackets. Inside the brackets, we can write our code. Return first parameter plus second parameter. Close it. If your function perform a task, you shouldn't use return. If your function return a value, you have to write return inside your function because this function return the result of two numbers. Okay. Now let's call this function and also let's give some value to parameters that do the addition operation. Let's write console.log. Inside of this, let's call our function addition parentheses. Inside the parentheses, instead of first parameter and second parameter, you can give the value. For example, for the first parameter is 4, the second parameter, I want to give the second parameter 5. Now let's see the result. 4 plus 5, 9. Let's change the values. For example, I want to change the first value into 9. Now let's see the output. Now the addition function is 14.